This is a mini Lego monorail system, and today I'm going to show you how I built it and how it works. So this may be the smallest working Lego monorail there is, and by working I don't mean motorized, but just able to go around the track, though I do have plans to motorize it in the future, so stay tuned for that. The basis of each car is centered around these bogies right here. Each one is made with 2 brackets and a turntable which allows it to revolve, and each bogie slots perfectly onto this 1 plate wide track right here. So for this general train design, basically we have 2 cab cars, which are the ones with the sloped ends, joined by a middle coach car, all connected by these little connectors which allow the train to rotate around the track. And it's very satisfying to kind of run the train around the track and, you know, just watch it go around every turn. But there are also some other car configurations that you can actually use. This set is composed of simply 2 cab cars, but you can also make a set with a cab car and a coach if you want a one-ended train. There are pretty much endless possibilities. The only real limit here is the friction that the train has. To combat this friction and to make a smoother running train, I basically designed this right here, but in reality I didn't actually design it because this actually dates back to the 90s when Lego had their own monorail sets, believe it or not. These trains only had 3 bogies with a powered center section, similar to this train right here. And with half as many bogies, this train runs a lot smoother and works very well when you push it from behind. Talking about the track itself, it's very much proof of concept because, you know, no real system would have only one station, and on the topic of the station, it's also very simple and matches the theme of the cars very nicely. I did, however, design a few more proof of concept mini tracks. For example, this shallow curve right here made with these 1x2 round plates, which works very well and is very smooth when you're driving a car over it. And because of the nature of the 1x2 round plates, you can basically bend this track into any configuration you want. For example, this wide radius curve, which works very smoothly. I've also designed this switch track right here, which allows you to turn one track into 2 or vice versa. And these are just 2 other track options that I'm showing you guys. There's actually way more that you could probably come up with. And yeah, with that all said, that's really all I have today about this monorail system. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, if you want to stick around, I'm going to do a short tutorial / montage of the car build. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to that.